Hello everyone, this is Zoe from LOPO. You know that LOPO has been specialized in sublimation industry for more than 13 years. And we mainly focus on sublimation textile products developing. With the new printing technology, DTF is getting more and more popular and well known. We got lots of questions from our customers that whether the blanks for sublimation we are carrying can be used for DTF too. So in today's video, I would like to show you the products that can be used for both sublimation and DTF. Firstly, Blab Scissors products. Blab has been in the market for more than 5 years. It's cost less compared with linen, but still keep natural feeling and easy to print. That might be the reason why this material has been popular and still sellable in sublimation industry. So today I prepare Blab product to show you how to print them on sublimation and DTF. This is a 4-Blab drawstring bag. It's easier to put items from this bag and keep items clean for convenient storage. Okay, now let me show you how to print on sublimation and DTF. Secondly, linen scissors products. Linen has brought lots of possibilities into sublimation industry for the past few years. It's made sublimation be with high-end products and it's still growing. I'd like to show you 2 products with you. First one is a linen pad bumper. It's filled with PP cotton, a breathable surface for your pad to provide an ideal sleeping environment. Next up is a car charge bag, leak-proof and durable. Great choice for people with needs of neat and organized car interior. Let's start printing. Soldering neoprene scissors products. Neoprene acts as a classic material on the market, as an excellent insulator and keeps the temperature constant. And it's generally stronger and harder than natural rubber and more resistant to water, oils. However, neoprene products at LOPO with higher density and more soft. Let's check it out. First is a neoprene chapstick holder, which can be adapted to more sizes of lip balm and prevent loose after repeated use. Next is a neoprene airfoam bag, lightweight, shockproof, and water-resistant. The net pocket keeps cables tidy and prevents tangling. For neoprene wristband, provides support and pressability. Velcro treasure is adjustable to your wrist size. Let's press in right now. Fourthly, polypure product. Polypure material was released into the market in the late 2022. It took us about 2 years to make it with leather feeling, waterproofed and coated for sublimation. Polypure notebook as a classic product, the water and heat-resistant cover protects your note from damaging, while elastic closure band ensures the notebook stays closed when not in use. with a fabric price but enjoying a leather quality, super smooth and soft, and I can't wait to see this amazing result. There are also other products you will interested. Black pencil case made of sports material that is water resistant, tear resistant, and washable, with 2 compartments to separate and organize items. Large capacity for pens, markers, erasers, sticks, and so on. Next is a belt. It's crafted from high-density polyester for durability, comfort, and a sleek appearance. Easy on and off, lightweight and adjustable buckle closure for all-day comfort and perfect fit. Next up is an aluminum water bottle, super lightweight yet durable, with a generous 750mm capacity and user-friendly small cap, appealing to customers looking for both functionality and style in their customized merchandise. Let's see how to print these products. The last 2 products are great home decoration. The first one is MDF hung-in wooden plaque. It comes with 3 heart blanks, allowing you to create personalized gifts. The white smooth coated surface is perfect for sublimation printing, allowing you to hit family photos, gather photos, selfies, and more. Various sizes to cater your needs. Then is a wooden guest photo frame with heart blocks for signature. Ask your guests to write their lovely messages and slot them into the wedding guest book thread. This unique guest book can be displayed in your home to look back on your special wedding memories. And pressing time is coming! So which product is your favorite? Welcome to visit our website and choose what you like. And please stay tuned for more products that can be used for both sublimation and DTF from LOPO. And Zoe, see you next time!